UGC along with MHRD has released standard operating procedures to conduct final year examinations. The final year examination is scheduled to be conducted by September 30, 2020. Along with issue of SOPs, UGC has also declared that it is mandatory to conduct final year examinations in all states. A letter issued by UGC states that the SOP is constructed for the conduct of examinations with measures to be taken in view of COVID-19 situations. SOP follows the revised guidelines issued by UGC on July 6, where it was decided that the end semester examinations would be conducted at the end of September 30, 2020 via pen and paper mode, online mode or blended mode. Although there has been a lot of criticisms against UGC revised guidelines on social media with hashtag promote final year students, hashtag student lives matter. But then too, UGC states on its decision to conduct examinations by declaration of SOPs. Now, question arises, what are these procedures? How do they ensure student safety? So, let's have a brief look on these procedures, that is, standard operating procedures. Number 1. As per the newly released SOP, admit/identity card issued to the students should be treated as a pass for the movement of students. The state government should issue instruction to all the local authorities to issue movement passes to invigilators and all personnel engaged in the conduct of exams. Number 2. The examination hall should be sprayed with disinfectant including floors, walls, gates, doors, etc. Sanitizer bottle along with liquid hand wash should be arranged at the entry gate, exam rooms, staff observer room, etc. Number 3. Thermal checking will be done at the staff entrance point. Fresh masks and gloves should be used by exam functionaries after staff verification is completed. Number 4. The seating area of candidates should be thoroughly sanitized after every session. Even washroom should also be cleaned and disinfected. Apart from this, staffs will have to fill self-declaration form about their health status before entering the exam area. If any functionary fails to meet the self-declaration criteria or thermogun check, then he or she will be asked to leave the exam center immediately. The UGC concludes by adding that it must for states and colleges to implement these procedures and so is must to conduct exams for final year students in all states. Thanks for watching this video. If you watched this video on Instagram, do follow our page, and if you are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.